Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant notifications about suggested posts on Instagram, you're not alone. These notifications can be distracting, especially when you just want to catch up with your friends' updates or browse your favorite content. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off suggested post notifications on Instagram so you can take back control of your feed and your peace of mind. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, or the 3 icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This is where you control what Instagram alerts you about. Now, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section lets you customize notifications related to your posts, stories, and any comments you receive. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Posts Suggested for You. This is the setting that controls notifications about suggested posts that Instagram thinks you might like. To turn off these notifications, simply select Off. That's it. You've now disabled notifications for suggested posts, and you should no longer receive alerts about them popping up in your feed. Taking a moment to adjust these settings can make a big difference in your Instagram experience. You'll have fewer distractions and more control over what shows up in your notifications. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and select your preferred option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your favorite social media apps. See you in the next video.